What we had in mind was an embedded system which, if we set up on the road, would monitor the speed of the vehicles and automatically capture the image of the violator. The major concern in the Indian scenario is the cost. So in order to reduce the cost, we decided to do away with the radar speed gun, which we realized has some inherent defects, such as it is inefficient when it comes to multiple detections. Hence we chose to use the camera itself for speed measurement also. We have made LabVIEW codes for speed measurement and violation detection. The codes have been deployed onto the NI compact vision system.
This is the vision acquisition box. It acquires the image from the camera through the CVS. Then the image is given to the edge detecting tool. These edges are lines, edge detecting lines, which are placed parallel to the road in such a way that they account for the perspective distortion which will be present in the image. Once the edges are detected, they are unclustered and they are given to a sub-VI. The X and Y coordinates are given to the sub-VI, which are stored in the shift register. In the consecutive frame, if an edge is detected on the same line, then those coordinates are subtracted with the previous coordinates and squared and then added, and we take a whole root of the value, which gives us the distance between those 2 points. That divided by the frame rate, which corresponds to the time difference between the two frames, will give us the speed of the vehicle. If the speed is exceeding the set speed limit, then a Boolean true is sent. That Boolean true will trigger this K structure, which stores the image. The speed is sent to the K structure, which is converted. It's a decimal to string converter, and that is concatenated with a string, so that on the image it is printed. It is clearly indicated who is the violator and what is the speed at which he has violated. Thank you.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
What you can see here is a snapshot of the road, and the crosshair gives you the point which the crosshair points out, and the speed of the body there is measured using the
Now running. When see this vehicle, everybody is slow. Without helmet 65 km. Without helmet. 4829 ಕಣ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು 69 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 4829 F2 ಗಾಡಿ, ಯಮಾ F2 ಗಾಡಿ. ಗಾಡಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್
the distance,
the
picture,
and the registration number. See K01MA 2159. 77 km. K01MA 215.
Video. Sir, please tell the disadvantages.
Sir, here don't have a clarity.
Okay, sir.
Two vehicles not capture a single time.
Okay, sir.
And then ಏನೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲೇ ಏನೇನೋ.
We believe in the versatility of the vision system. It has been serving man so well, and we hope machines have some luck with it too.
Or capture now, sir.
Yes, sir. Bike.
No.
Okay.
The tempo.
Yeah, tempo. Tempo.
41 kilometer. 42 kilometer.
42.
ಹೇಳು bro.
I think as the Matador is exceeding the set speed limit, its speed is being indicated with a violator tag.
2 kilometers.
Okay, sir. I got
42,
it.
okay?
I got it. So
very happy. Your first time searching it is very good. You also very instructing. Wow, very fine, very fine.
But your camera captures 10 vehicles at a time. That's good. Our camera is capturing one vehicle, particular vehicle, but your camera is capturing 10 vehicles. Who is crossed above the over speed? That's good.